Now, if you follow my content, you know that I have taken the redacted flight from Dubai to Singapore on token 2049. But what matters is that I met a guy on that plane called Toby. Now, Toby went on and on and on and on about ordinals on that flight and actually got me interested. He told me that they wanted to get awareness of ordinals and how cool they actually are. So I decided to go down the rabbit hole, and the rabbit hole is deep. I decided I'm gonna do a bunch of series on ordinals, but in this episode, I wanna show you exactly what ordinals are, why you should care, and what money-making opportunity there is with them. There's a billion ways to make money in crypto, and I am on a mission to find them all. My name is Fefe, and the best part is, if I find anything, I share it with you. So if I make money, you can make money too. If that sounds good, subscribe to the channel, smash the like button. It's gonna be a worthwhile video. Share it with your friends. Let's jump into it. So what are ordinals? Ordinals are basically NFTs. They are digital collectibles created by inscribing content like art, media, or text into the Bitcoin blockchain or onto individual Satoshis. Hold on, what are Satoshis? Now you might know it, but Satoshis are the smallest unit of Bitcoin. Imagine it like the cent to the dollar. Now bear with me here. There are 100 million Satoshis, or sats if you want to use the shorter version, in each Bitcoin. And since you watched my previous video, you know exactly that there are only 21 million Bitcoins ever to be created. That means if you multiply the 21 million with the 100 million, you get 2.1 quadrillion. Yes, there will be 2.1 quadrillion Satoshis ever created. And going back to the beginning, as I said, Bitcoin ordinals are inscriptions of information, art or media or text onto these Satoshis. Since each Satoshi is one of a kind, if you inscribe something or put something on this Satoshi or any given Satoshi, you basically occupy it and no one else can inscribe on it any longer. Therefore, it becomes unique. We've got a fly in here and it's flying into the picture, so. Yeah! We concurred. Good. We can get back to the show. If it's still complicated, here's the TLDR. You can have a JPEG, a simple picture. You can put it on the Bitcoin blockchain as an NFT, just like a CryptoPunk or a Bored Ape, but it will be put on the Bitcoin blockchain on a single Satoshi and stay on the Bitcoin blockchain forever. Now it is huge. I can't tell you how huge it is. I went down the rabbit hole and I'm super excited. Why? Because now you can have inscriptions, you can have pictures, you can have text put on the Bitcoin blockchain and leave that there forever. You don't need to use Ethereum. You don't need to use any other protocols. You can have the OG, the mother or father of all coins, and utilize that to create your own NFTs. For example, we just hit 16,000 subscribers on the 𝗙𝗘𝗙𝗦 Club, which is my trading channel, and I have created an NFT for that on the Bitcoin blockchain, and I'm gonna show you how I did it. You can inscribe anything you want. You can literally just put in, hey, I ate cereals today morning, and you can put that on the Bitcoin blockchain and leave it there forever. Or you can do that when you get married. When you get married on the day, you write a little message and you put it on the Bitcoin blockchain and it will stay there forever, visible for anyone. Now your question might be, which I had as well, why wouldn't I just simply use ETH? Why do I need to use Bitcoin? Now you hear all the fun about ETH and whatever. Bitcoin is forever, that's one, but that's not the main reason you should care. Now, one of the biggest differences when you inscribe or put something on the Bitcoin blockchain that is actually on-chain and will stay there forever. However, if you create an NFT on Ethereum, for example, even though you believe that the NFT or the picture that you put on the chain is actually on-chain, it is not. Yes, a shocker. You see, when it comes to NFTs and other blockchains, usually only a reference to the asset, like the picture, URL, or hash, is stored on-chain. The actual media file, again, a picture, is stored off-chain, usually on something called an IPFS, or Interplanetary File System. Now, it's a distributed peer-to-peer file storage and sharing network, but still, the image itself is not stored on the blockchain, unlike it is with ordinals and Bitcoin. Now, this alone blows my mind, because if I really want to use the technology, if I really want to inscribe something, again, going back to, for example, a marriage or a wedding, why wouldn't I want to inscribe it on the OG coin where it's actually stored on the blockchain? Anyway, ordinals had a long history. 2021, December 12th, the idea about Bitcoin atoms was born, and then that later transitioned into Ordinals. In February 2022, the Ordinals BIP has been born. And fast forward to December 14th, 2022, the first ever inscription happened, which was this picture of a skull. And then the snowball started to happen. People started to come in there. They launched a bunch of things. We had the first 100,000 inscriptions, then the first 1 million, then the first 21 million. But what is interesting, and you might not even know, that in 2023, Bitcoin was the second most used blockchain for NFTs based on volume. Yes, it's only like 12.9%, but still, yeah, another shocker. Now you know what inscriptions are, now you know what they matter and why they matter. Whoa. And now it's time to learn where to buy, where to sell, and how to create your own NFT on the Bitcoin blockchain. Now first, we need to decide what do we want to inscribe. Again, inscribing is putting stuff on a single Satoshi. You can add text, image, music, HTML, or even videos to a single set, depending on the size. Now you might be wondering, this sounds too complicated, I will not be able to create it on my own. Trust me, I'm not a tech guy and I could do it easily. You will be able to. The reason why you will be able to do it as well without knowing anything about tech is because Ordinals Bot exists. Ordinals Bot is the best, almost one and only solution to deploy inscriptions onto the Bitcoin blockchain for folks like you and me. They have over 250,000 users worldwide. They were and are essential contributors to the ecosystem. Ordi, for example, has been launched through them, which hit $1 billion in market cap. Runestones, which hit #2 spot after CryptoPunks when it came to NFTs, were created on Ordinals Bot, and they inscribed 9 out of 10 of the largest inscriptions in Bitcoin's history. They're an incredible product. Shout out for them for sponsoring the show. Let me show you how it works and how you can get into deploying your own NFTs right away. Now, for you to buy and sell these inscriptions and NFTs on the Bitcoin blockchain, you will need a wallet. There is a wallet that I use. It's called Unisat, one of the most used wallets out there. There are a bunch of other wallets. OKX wallet as well works fine, but I use Unisat for this example. You can find it on the Google Chrome web store. It also works on your phone, and then you can add it as an extension and it will pop up like this. Once you created your wallet, you will simply be able to just deposit by clicking on receive. You can send Bitcoin from your centralized exchange onto the wallet and then you're set. Now there is a link in the description for Ordinals Bot, but the reason why I really am in love with them, I genuinely am, is because you're able to come in here and you're able to create your NFT with few clicks simply by owning Bitcoin and connecting your wallet. So this is what I'm gonna do. First, I click on connect wallet. I'll pick on Unisat, I click on sign, and then you see my wallet is connected up there. Now you can do a bunch of different things, but what I really want to show you now is how you can inscribe a picture. If you go onto their website, there's a link in the description. You will see inscribe, text, markdown sets, hashtag, BRC20s, and much more. You will be able to create a parent-child relationship to another inscription, and a bunch of cool stuff, but let's not run further. I'm definitely doing more of these shows because I want to deep dive into it and show you the NFTs, show you the projects, show you really how it works, because I genuinely believe this is going to be part of the future. But you can do here is you can upload a picture here. You click here. So now I uploaded this picture, which is the picture of us hitting 16,000 subscribers on my trading channel called the 100x Club. There's a link in the description to check that out as well, with daily trading tips and much more. Check it out. But anyway, I uploaded that picture and now it's here. It shows that it's 39.12 kilobytes. So that's all good. I can do a lot of stuff. I can do optimize image, add metadata, apply compression, parent-child relationship, as I said, and I can also pick the Satoshi that I want to print on or inscribe on. For example, block 9, mined by Satoshi. I can click block 79, mined by 𝗙𝗘𝗙𝗙𝗦. I can use the 𝗙𝗘𝗙𝗙𝗦 block when the guy spent 10,000 Bitcoins. So you can do a lot of stuff. Again, we're going to talk about this a little bit later, but what you have to know is you upload the picture, you scroll down, you select the time it would take. You can select economy, which will be cheaper, normal, or you can do custom if you really need to speed it up. It will quote you a price and you simply click submit and pay. Now the best part is you can pay with different currencies, Sol and BTC, but obviously you want to pay with Bitcoin. So you can just simply click on pay with connected wallet. It will prompt you and you can click on sign and pay. So once you've done that and time passed, you can go into your wallet, scroll down, and under Ordinals, you will be able to see the inscribed image. So you can click on here. And this is the image that I have actually uploaded. Now, this is on the Bitcoin blockchain. That means that I have inscripted that we just reached 16,000 subscribers on the 100x channel onto the Bitcoin blockchain. Why is this big, you may ask? Because what when we hit 1 million subscribers? Imagine the value this could hold. I could say, I could inscribe every 1,000 subscribers and then sell it on the marketplace and be like, hey, you're an early adopter of the channel. Maybe you're gonna get a cashback from the money that the channel generates. There are a bunch of use cases, but again, you do it all on chain. Now that you have this, you can sell it, you can do whatever you want with it, but the question really comes, where do you sell it? What is the marketplace? And where you can sell your own inscription is the place where you can buy different projects as well. The cool part is that Ordinals bot has a token and they have a marketplace coming out very soon. It's gonna be called 𝗙𝗘𝗙𝗙𝗪, which in my mind, no doubt will be the #1 marketplace for Ordinals, considering the reach and the experience these guys have. But they already have a token that you can get. If you want, you will be able to get kickback on the platform. It is available on Gate.io, Maxi, BingX, and Unisat wallet. Now, in my mind, knowing what the experience these guys have and what reach they have and what project they participated in, it's a no-brainer that this token is a great investment. By holding the token, you will be able to get discounts on the Ordinals platform. You will be able to access early mints through the platform. And of course, you will be able to stake for extra rewards. But until their platform is out, there are a bunch of different places where you can buy Ordinals already. For example, Magic Eden and Blur. So when you land on Magic Eden, which is a known NFT platform, you can just go on to here and you can click on Bitcoin and you will see all the Ordinals or NFTs on the Bitcoin blockchain. First, you will see Node Monkeys, which is the #1. You will see Bitcoin Puppets, Quantum Cats, Runestones, and much more. Runestones were making waves, so you might have heard about them previously in 2023, but since then it kind of died off. Anyway, what piqued my brain or what sparked a light in my eye is this Node Monkeys. I'll tell you why. Now, these Node Monkeys are the first unique collection on the Bitcoin blockchain. What does that mean and why do I say unique? Because when Ordinals launched, there was a Bitcoin Punks launched on Ordinals, which were the exact replica of the punks, CryptoPunks on Ethereum. And I told you I want to buy a punk, but if you ask me, that's just a simple copy on the Bitcoin blockchain trying to rock some people looking for exit liquidity. But if you look at Node Monkeys, what really is happening here, this is the first collection of 10,000 unique NFTs in these Node Monkeys. Now, I'm obviously not urging you to buy anything, or anything I say is not financial advice, but I will definitely get some of these and I'll tell you why. If you look at CryptoPunks right now, they're worth 70,000 up. You can't really buy any punk for under $70,000. Why? Because ETH NFTs were a big trend, big hit. A lot of people were talking about it. There were some NFTs selling for millions of dollars. If you look at this though, it's 0.12 Bitcoin, and even in today's prices, that's like less than $10,000 per NFT. And this is the OG chain where the pictures or the actual asset is actually inscribed into the Bitcoin blockchain. Now, considering the fact that we have ETFs coming in, we have massive institutions moving into space, buying and scooping up Bitcoin, we have everything talking about Bitcoin, yet at the same time, we're flooding ETH. I think it's a no-brainer if you think Bitcoin will be a thing in 20, 30 years to get one of these NFTs. And I know they are pricey, but if you want to invent something, this might be a better option than buying a CryptoPunk or a Bored Ape. Now, I hope that you got the information you're looking for and you got to understand what Ordinals are and why they are a big deal. When I went down the rabbit hole and started researching and starting really understanding and seeing the bigger picture, I actually phoned Toby and I said that I really wanted to get him on for interviews and just talk about Ordinals, because I do think this is going to be the future. Now, whether you're buying a Node Monkey, whether you're buying any other NFTs on the Bitcoin blockchain, or you actually buy different tokens on Bitcoin, I do think having exposure to this is a very, very smart play long term. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I truly, truly appreciate you. If you like this, share it with your friends, smash the like button. Let me know in the comment section what you think. I will read every single comment and reply to you guys. And if you like this content and you want to hear more alpha from me every single day, make sure to follow me on X. There is a link in the description to my X profile. And whenever you can, come back for another one. Thank you so much for watching. Truly appreciate you. And I believe I'll see you in the next one. Take care.